Now go see me after this, my father. Gone, gone.
Alright.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddie Vision TV. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is the channel where we look at sports differently. No, Dujuan Whisper Richards is not in the team to face Guatemala. Is it because Dujuan Whisper Richards will be linking up with his Chelsea teammates? It looks that way. Alright? And that's good enough reason for him not to be in the squad to play that friendly in New Jersey. Now, according to the secret scout, Dujuan Richards is due at Cobham tomorrow, and he will be eligible to play right away. Alright, so Blue Tick Man, Chelsea, Dodgers, retweeting or posting what the secret scout has to say. And we all knew this day was coming. One day he will be on his way to Chelsea and begin his journey in England. So by the time you're watching this video, Whisper will be in the Chelsea colours at the training ground of Chelsea and training with his future teammates. Now, obviously you're going to have questions, and as you can see here in the comment section from this tweet, one person is saying nice, would expect him to be with the development squad for a while though. Same person who tweeted absolutely, I very much doubt he would be near the senior at the moment, and that's the senior team. Another person, how is this possible? Is this from a reliable source? Yes, the secret scout is reliable, especially when it comes to youth. I'm just dropping this information as I get it. Whisper in England, ready to start his journey. Let me know in the comment section what you guys make of this breaking story. Whisper in England with Chelsea. Just a quick update again, it's uncertain if it's with the senior team, the development squad. We don't know as yet. We just have to wait for more confirmation on this. So pictures will be leaking, I can bet, I can assure you. Pictures will be coming out soon, and we will know for sure where Whisper will be playing. So again, big up Dujuan Whisper Richards, making that huge jump from the Manning Cup, from KC to English Giants Chelsea FC. All the best. Hope you hit the ground running and can make a huge impact and get into that senior team. Many persons were saying that Chelsea is in a bad state and only Whisper will save them. I don't know if I will go so far, but Whisper is talented, and it's time to unleash 4-4. Thanks for watching. I'm Eddie Guna. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.
Watching Eddie Vision TV, like, share and subscribe.